Today I'm showing you my wet brine that takes my turkey recipe to the next level.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
Before you start, make sure your turkey is fully thawed and rinsed. In a large pot, I'm starting with bright citrusy notes and fresh herbs to layer flavor from the inside out. I'm adding 1 orange quartered with the peel. I also cut and squeezed a second orange in half. Now cut and squeeze 1 large lemon in half. I cut 1 small onion in half for mellow sweetness and depth. For an herby punch, I'm adding a bundle of fresh thyme, rosemary, and sage. I found a bundle with all 3 at my grocery store, which made it so convenient. Next, I'm adding half a cup of kosher salt. Yes, that sounds like a lot, but that salt is what makes the brine work, pulling moisture into the breast meat, seasoning evenly, and helping the turkey stay juicy during roasting. Now we're balancing with half cup of apple cider vinegar for bright acidity that helps flavor penetrate without making the meat tough. I'm adding half cup of sugar for a touch of sweetness to counterbalance the acidity. 1 tablespoon of whole peppercorns for a mild peppery background. And don't worry, it's not hot. Half a head of garlic for that savory umph, plus just 1 sprig of oregano for a hint of earthiness. We're going to start with 12 cups of water. Using a 4-cup measuring cup makes this easy. 4, then 8, then 12 cups. Bring the pot to a boil. It took about 14 minutes for mine. Give it a quick stir as you go. Once it reaches a boil, remove from the heat and let the brine cool completely. While the brine cools, I like to prep my veggies and spices for the turkey the next day. This keeps things organized and speeds up your day of cooking. After about 30 minutes, when the water is still slightly warm, add 4 cups of ice water to chill it down quickly. Then add another 4 cups of ice water. Let the ice melt and your brine cool completely. Today I'm using brine bags. I'll drop a link below or in my bio. Place your thawed turkey in the bag and set it on a tray. Empty the cooled water mixture into the bag, seal the top, but first grab each side and tighten it, tying with a bit of twine so the liquid covers more of the turkey. Then refrigerate for about 24 hours or overnight for best result. The next day, remove the turkey from the bag and rinse, then pat dry before you proceed with your usual cooking method. Don't forget to check out my turkey recipe on my page.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking!